vital principle of strength and conditioning is the term load management. Now, the best way to conceptualize this is the Goldilocks principle. And one of the best examples of this is a study that looked at something called the acute to chronic workload ratio, which is essentially looking at acute, the previous week of training, divided by the average of your previous 4 weeks of training, which is the chronic. So it's the acute divided by the chronic, and then this gives you a ratio. Now, what this study found was there was a sweet spot between 0.8 and 1.3, which was optimal in terms of sports performance and reduction of injury risk, and anything outside those ranges was associated with a potential increase in risk of injury. Now, when we're thinking of this concept, we don't want to be married to these exact numbers, and we just want to take the concept as a whole and understand that principle, the Goldilocks principle essentially. So if we're doing too much training, we're not able to recover adequately, this can give an increased risk of things like soft tissue injuries. And if we're on the other side of the spectrum, we're not training enough, we're not going to be meeting the physical demands of our sport, we're not going to be adequately prepared when we step on the court or on the field.
Sweet.